Well, hello there, my friend. Isn't it just a lovely day to get our hands a little dirty and bring some joy to our gardens? You know, there's something truly special about spending time outside, surrounded by flowers, birds, and the gentle breeze. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to make your garden look like a little slice of paradise. In fact, today, I'm going to share with you 5 budget-friendly DIY projects that'll spruce up your outdoor space without breaking the bank. These ideas are simple, fun, and perfect for us seniors who love a little creativity without too much fuss. So grab your favorite gardening hat, put on those comfy gloves, and let's dive into our first 2 projects. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more gardening tips and wellness advice tailored just for you. Let's get into it. Project 1. Upcycled tin can planters. You know those old tin cans sitting in your recycling bin? Instead of tossing them out, let's turn them into charming little planters. This is one of my favorite projects because it's so easy and it gives new life to something we'd normally throw away. First, gather a few clean tin cans, soup cans, coffee cans, even those big tomato sauce ones work great. Now, if you're feeling fancy, you can sand off any rough edges, but honestly, a quick rinse is all you really need. Next, let's make them pretty. You can paint them in cheerful colors, maybe a soft sky blue, a sunny yellow, or even a rustic terracotta. Acrylic paint works well, and if you have some outdoor sealant, a quick spray will keep the colors from fading. But if painting isn't your thing, no worries. Wrapping them in burlap or twine gives a lovely country feel. Now, here's the fun part: planting. These little cans are perfect for herbs like basil or mint, small flowers like pansies, or even succulents if you prefer low-maintenance greens. Just poke a few drainage holes in the bottom, a hammer and nail will do the trick, add some potting soil, and tuck in your plants. Place them along your porch railing, on a windowsill, or even hang them with some wire for a cute vertical garden. And just like that, you've turned trash into treasure. Now, if you love the idea of adding a little whimsy to your garden, our next project is going to delight you. Project 2. DIY Garden Stepping Stones. Walking through your garden should feel like a little adventure, don't you think? And what better way to guide your steps than with handmade stepping stones? These are not only practical, keeping your feet clean on damp days, but they also add so much personality to your garden. The best part? You probably already have most of what you need. Here's how we'll do it. First, grab an old cake pan or a plastic tub. This will be our mold. Then, mix up some quick-setting concrete. You can find small bags at any hardware store for just a few dollars. Follow the instructions, but don't worry. It's as easy as stirring pancake batter. Now, here's where you can get creative. Press in small mosaic tiles, colorful glass beads, or even pretty stones from your last walk. Some folks love pressing leaves or handprints into the wet concrete for a personal touch. If you have grandkids visiting, this is a wonderful project to do together. They'll love leaving their mark. Let the concrete dry overnight, pop it out of the mold, and voila! You've got a beautiful stepping stone ready to place between your flower beds or along a garden path. Make a few and suddenly your garden has a charming, handcrafted feel that's uniquely yours. And those are our first 2 projects: simple, affordable, and full of charm. In our next session, we'll explore 2 more delightful ideas, including a clever way to use old wooden pallets and a trick for creating gorgeous garden lights using items you might already have at home. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. In the meantime, I'd love to hear, have you ever tried upcycling something in your garden? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun, easy projects made just for us. I hope you've been enjoying our little DIY journey so far. There's something so satisfying about creating beauty with our own hands, isn't there? And the best part is, we're doing it without spending much at all. Now, if you missed the first part, we covered those adorable upcycled tin can planters and those charming DIY stepping stones. We're moving on to 2 more projects that'll add even more personality to your garden. These ideas are just as easy, just as budget-friendly, and I think you're going to love them. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive right in. Project 3. Rustic Wooden Pallet Planter. You know those wooden pallets you sometimes see stacked behind stores or left by the curb? Well, my friends, those are gold for garden projects. With just a little effort, we can turn one into a gorgeous vertical planter, perfect for growing herbs, flowers, or even strawberries. First, find a pallet in decent shape, no broken slats, and make sure it's clean. If you don't have one lying around, ask at a local hardware store. They often give them away for free. Now here's what we'll do. Lay the pallet flat and line the back with landscape fabric or burlap, stapling it in place. This keeps the soil from falling out while still letting water drain. Then fill the gaps between the slats with potting soil, pack it in nice and snug. Now, the fun part: planting. Small plants like succulents, herbs, or trailing flowers work best. Tuck them into the openings between the slats and give them a good drink of water. Once everything's settled, prop the pallet upright against a fence or wall, or even lean it on a couple of stakes for stability. In just a few weeks, those little plants will grow and spill out, creating a living wall of green and color. And think of how lovely it'll look with morning glories climbing up or fresh herbs ready for your kitchen. Now, if you love the idea of adding a little magic to your garden in the evenings, our next project is just the thing. Project 4. Mason Jar Solar Lights. Is there anything more peaceful than a softly lit garden at dusk? These mason jar solar lights are not only beautiful, they're practically free if you've got a few jars lying around. Here's how we'll make them. Gather some clean mason jars, any size works, even those old pasta sauce jars will do. Now pick up a few small solar-powered lights, the kind that usually stake into the ground. You can find these at dollar stores or discount shops for just a couple of dollars each. Remove the top part of the solar light, the part with the little panel and LED bulb, and carefully fit it into the lid of the mason jar. If it doesn't sit perfectly, a little hot glue or wire will secure it. Then screw the lid back onto the jar, and there you have it, a charming solar lantern. Place these along your garden path, hang them from shepherd's hooks with some wire, or even cluster them on your patio table. When the sun goes down, they'll glow softly, creating the coziest atmosphere. And since they're solar-powered, you never have to worry about batteries or cords. You know, it's amazing what a few simple touches can do to make a garden feel special. And we've got one more fantastic project coming up in our next session, a delightful way to repurpose old teacups into something truly whimsical. Plus, I'll share my favorite tip for keeping all these projects looking great with minimal upkeep. So my amazing friends, tell me, have you ever tried working with pallets or mason jars in your garden? I'd love to hear your ideas in the comments below. And if you're finding these projects helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on more creative, budget-friendly fun. Can you believe we're already at our final installment? We've transformed tin cans into cheerful planters, crafted stepping stones with personality, built a lovely pallet planter, and even lit up our gardens with mason jar lanterns. But I've saved one of my absolute favorites for last, a project that's equal parts nostalgic, whimsical, and downright delightful. Project 5. Charming Teacup Bird Feeders. Now, I don't know about you, but there's something so comforting about sipping tea in the garden. And when those old teacups get chipped or the saucers crack, well, we're going to give them new life as the most adorable bird feeders you've ever seen. Here's all you'll need. A teacup and saucer. Thrift stores often have mismatched sets for pennies. A strong waterproof adhesive like E6000 or epoxy. A small length of chain or sturdy ribbon. And birdseed, of course. First, glue the teacup to its saucer at a jaunty angle like it's just about to pour. Let that dry completely. Then, attach small hooks or loops to opposite sides of the saucer and thread your chain or ribbon through to make a hanger. Now, find the perfect spot, maybe dangling from a tree branch, your porch eaves, or even a shepherd's hook. Fill the cup with birdseed and wait for your feathered friends to discover their new favorite cafe. What I love most is how these spark joy every time you see them. That vintage rose pattern your mother loved? Now it's serving up breakfast for cardinals. That souvenir cup from your 50th anniversary trip? It's creating new memories as Blue Jays stop by for lunch. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about making these treasures last. A quick tip: for any outdoor projects, a coat of clear outdoor sealant will protect paint and prevent rust. And for our teacup feeders? Just give them a gentle scrub with vinegar water every few weeks to keep them fresh for your avian guests. You know, gardening at our age isn't just about pretty flowers, it's about staying active, sparking creativity, and surrounding ourselves with little reminders of joy. Each of these projects proves you don't need deep pockets to create a space that feels special, just a willing heart and a few hours of fun. I'd love to hear which project you're most excited to try, or better yet, see photos of what you've created. Share your stories in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this series, why not invite a friend to join our seniors community? Hit that share button so others can discover these easy projects too. Don't forget to subscribe for more down-to-earth projects made especially for us. From my garden to yours, keep growing, keep creating, and most importantly, keep finding wonder in each new day. Happy gardening, everyone!